Hello everyone, welcome to our video on peptides and specifically, TB500. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules in the body. They play a crucial role in many physiological processes such as cell growth, immune response, and tissue repair. TB500, also known as thymosin beta-4, is a synthetic peptide that is similar to a naturally occurring peptide found in the body. It is known for its ability to promote healing, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle growth. One of the main benefits of TB500 is its ability to accelerate the healing of injuries. This is because it promotes the formation of new blood vessels and the migration of cells to the site of injury. This leads to faster recovery times and less scarring. Another benefit of TB500 is its ability to improve muscle growth. It does this by increasing the production of muscle cells and by promoting the repair and growth of muscle fibers. This makes it a popular choice among bodybuilders and athletes looking to improve their performance. TB500 has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for conditions such as osteoarthritis and other inflammatory conditions. TB500 has also been known to improve the overall well-being of the person who uses it. It is used to improve the overall quality of life in people suffering from chronic conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and also in people who have undergone surgery. In conclusion, TB500 is a powerful peptide with a wide range of benefits. Its ability to promote healing, improve muscle growth, and reduce inflammation, which makes is why it's a popular choice among athletes and bodybuilders, as well as people looking to improve their overall well-being. If you're interested in using TB500, it's important to consult with a medical professional before starting to use it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative.